Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mojito for Yuca. This vibrant sauce is the perfect accompaniment, transforming simple boiled or fried yuca into a flavorful dish. We'll cover the essential ingredients and the straightforward steps to create this delicious Cuban-inspired condiment. Get ready to elevate your yuca experience with a burst of fresh, zesty taste that's incredibly easy to prepare at home. To begin, gather your key ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced for that essential aromatic base. For the citrus, prepare the juice from 2 to 3 limes and 1 small orange, providing a balanced tang. Fresh cilantro or parsley, roughly chopped, will add a vibrant, herbaceous note. Don't forget a good quality olive oil and a pinch of salt to bring all the flavors together. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, gently sauté your minced garlic in about 1/4 cup of olive oil over medium-low heat until fragrant, being careful not to brown it. Next, pour in the fresh lime and orange juices, letting it simmer for just about 1 minute to meld the flavors. Finally, remove from heat, stir in your fresh herbs, and season with salt to your liking. Your mojito is ready. For the best experience, serve your warm mojito immediately over freshly cooked yuca, whether it's boiled, steamed, or fried. Feel free to adjust the amount of garlic and citrus to suit your personal taste. Some prefer it zestier, others milder. Also, this versatile sauce isn't just for yuca. Try it with other root vegetables like potatoes or plantains for a similar flavor boost. And hey, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.